when I looked at what people are investing in, they say when we look at minority households, specifically black families, we're investing in real estate and in insurance mostly, all right? And stocks is something that we still have to build that comfortability about, all right? There's a lot to unpack with the uncomfortability with the financial system, right? But we're not gonna get into that today, all right? But ultimately, some of the people here in this room, if not hopefully all the people in this room, have the ability to change some of these patterns. And you may be able to take on more risk than those before you. So that's the purpose in understanding the budgeting in order to be able to invest. I want you to repeat after me. Investment recommendations that don't include risk as part of the conversation do not have my best interest in mind. All right, I appreciate that. You're gonna get a lot of advice. You're gonna get a lot of tips. You're gonna hear things on the internet too, but if it doesn't factor in your risk, you gotta look at something else, all right? You need to make sure you understand yourself. This is, again, understanding more of the household before we explore other things, all right?